Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a fan clutch on a Dodge Ram. First, gather your tools, including a fan clutch wrench set, a new fan clutch, and basic hand tools. Always ensure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the negative battery terminal before you begin. This prevents any accidental engine starts while you are working near moving parts. Let's get started with the removal process. Next, we'll tackle the fan shroud. Locate and remove the bolts holding it in place, usually around the radiator. Once unbolted, carefully lift the shroud up and out of the way, or at least position it so you have clear access to the fan clutch. After that, use a serpentine belt tool to relieve tension on the drive belt. Then remove the belt from the pulleys. This gives you the necessary space to work on the fan clutch itself. Now for the main event, removing the old fan clutch. You'll need a fan clutch wrench and a holding tool to prevent the pulley from spinning. Loosen the large nut counterclockwise, then carefully unthread the old clutch from the water pump shaft. Once it's off, take your new fan clutch and thread it onto the shaft, making sure it's straight. Hand tighten it. Then use your tools to secure it firmly, but do not over-tighten. With the new fan clutch in place, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully put the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, double-checking its routing. Then, reposition the fan shroud and secure it with all its bolts. Don't forget to reconnect your battery's negative terminal. Before you go, check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Finally, start your engine and listen for proper fan operation and any unusual noises. Let it run for a few minutes to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.